with the laundry basket. Oh. Oh, you're so strong. Oh, is it frustrating? What's happened? Do you need mummy help? Oh, good work. That's it. Uh-oh, look out, mummy. Oh, here he comes. Where's he going? Where's he going? Oh, there could be some obstruction. Can he manoeuvre? Shall we move this? Oh. Hey, oh, let's put that chair away. Oh, here he comes. What a clever baby. Huh? What are you going to do now? You stuck? Oh, muscles. Oh. 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 Oopla. I think it's the end of the road, Jack. Oh, what are you going to do? What now? What now? Is that your book? Wee! What's that? What's that? Oh! Back to mummy! Back to baby! Oh, thank you!